I will talk about how can you disable daily reminder on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to daily reminder. Just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here daily reminder, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.